So hello everybody, we're at an event here and we have Rachel and her daughter Cora who are willing to try this out for the first time on camera for you guys to see like first time reactions of how the hair tie works with kids. Then she's obviously not that young, but with your daughter, for the moms out there that are wondering if it works for your daughter's hair. So let's go ahead and try this out.
Okay.
You can actually see right here, right? Like
Yeah,
the line
where
of where it's breakage. So it's because you have to make hair ties, I would assume, pretty tight. Is that true?
Yes.
For her hair, it looks pretty fine and straight, right?
It is.
Yeah, so usually you have to make hair ties pretty tight, but I'm going to show you here, we're going to size this one for her and then get it perfect so where you don't have to make it super tight and you still get a secure hold.
Okay.
So let's try it out. Just go ahead and put her hair up just like a normal hair tie. And then we're going to see if it's a little bit loose or tight and then adjust it.
Get it on.
What are like the most common problems you have with hair ties?
The most common problem is probably just
That's good.
tearing hair when you pull it out.
Yeah. So actually, what do you think
third?
of that feel?
Does it feel loose? Yeah. Need another.
Here you go. Let's do this then. So it's just like slightly loose. So what we're gonna do is just pop it off. You wanna all you do is just find that clasp and then just, lift it up. So it's just a little bit loose. Ideally, we wanna make it as loose as possible with it still kind of being like holding her hair. And I agree this one was like sliding a little bit, but let's just try this to start out. So all I did was cut off 2 sections here.
Okay.
And then let's go ahead and put this one back in and see how this one feels.
So you can custom fit it.
Yeah, so the whole idea is that we make it as loose as possible so it's healthier for your hair because you're not having it super tight. And the reason it's holding so well is every other one is flat. So it's sitting flat in her hair.
Oh, nice.
So it's not going to slip or slide. And it doesn't need like as much tension in order for it to not
feel
slide.
tighter?
So let's see. Yeah. So this one, can you show the camera actually? Turn it a little bit more. Awesome. So you can see we turned off those 2 sections and it's actually pretty secure. What do you think of that? Do you think that one feels a little bit more secure?
Yeah, it doesn't feel slidey.
Yeah, good. And if you wanted to do like a top ponytail, we could probably wrap one 3 times.
Okay, try that higher.
And then for that one, let's do a normal size. So go ahead and grab another color. Good. And then whenever you pull this one into her hair, whenever you pull it off, just pull it with this hand, the clasp in your hand, so that the hair tie is in the hair to where the clasp sits on top.
Okay.
So let's try this
Hold
one.
that one.
And you can do like a higher, however you would wear it normally.
Look up just a little bit. Little bumpy.
You good?
So keep this in my hand.
Yeah, the other. There you go. Perfect. You got it. Yep. And you got it. Cool.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah, it's not going anywhere, right? What do you think of that?
I like it.
Does it feel good? Does it feel like it's pulling or anything?
No.
No?
It feels tight, but not. Yeah. They complain mostly of like these bottom hairs being too tight, but this is good.
Right. And then when you want to take it out, it's the same thing. You just pop it off.
It's good. I like it. Comes out way easier than a regular hair tie.
Yeah. So for like a mom, would you recommend this for other moms out there that are?
Yeah, definitely. Less pain taking a ponytail out. Fewer pulled hairs out. It's a good thing.
And what do you guys think of the color selection? Do you think it's
good?
Good. Okay, awesome. Well, I appreciate you guys trying it out, and thanks for trying it out in front of everybody else for the first time. It was a good learning experience. And you can keep those ones that I gave you.
Okay.